Welcome back to Bad Tree Productions. On this episode, it's not your regular episode.
It's not.
No, we're heading to Sikeston, Missouri for the No Name Nationals. We've been talking about it forever. Time to put up or shut up. It's go day. Go time. Hammer down, southbound.
Down in the comments, let us know what we're forgetting.
Yeah, because
we're doing this again.
We've walked through here. It's hard to. There's so much shit in here.
Yeah, a guy's eyes are real busy in here.
We've been ready since about 4:30. Me and Jeremy and our old ladies were packed up and ready. The cars are running and idling. It's dark. Sun isn't even up.
It's cold.
We're waiting on JayBo and JayBo.
It's like in the 40s. I think it's cold.
I think it's colder than that.
It's chilly. I don't know, dude. We got this stuff to think.
We got our tools and we got a baby jack. There's, we got our buddies, Just Mopar, Joe, Ryan from Streetcar Chronicles, Duddy from DA or Duddy's Adventures, and Noah from Dodge Mumbler, Dodge Whisperer, Jay and Jason from Rabbit Transit Garage, and Red Light Ricky from what is it called? Jerry Racing.
Yeah.
And Rabbit
Bigfoot's
Transit.
Bigfoot's gonna be there.
Yep, Stinkfoot's gonna be there. Your cousin.
Lots of people.
Yep. So between us and them, I think we were covered on tools.
I hope so.
I've evacuated 3 times this morning.
I have evacuated.
Truck's full.
A good one.
Van's full. All right.
Van's full. Blake's empty.
JayBo just pulled up, so.
All right.
We'll see you in the truck. All right, first stop. We went about 25 miles. We're gonna check our straps on our rigs, make sure nothing's gonna fall off. Sun is coming up. Ooh. That one was loose.
What's that? That one's loose?
This one's not even on. Still 7 hours to go. Tyler, that's a good idea.
There you go. Look at it.
It's a corn cuda. Oh, we got our buddy Ben. He's gonna run the point for us to distract all the bear. Yeah, he's bear bait. Welcome to beautiful Central City, Iowa, home of
The old Barracuda.
Yeah, this is where we got the nacho.
Nachos, lemonades. I better not finish that.
Little bird. No Name Nationals decal in the back. He gone.
Breaker, sticker maker.
First gasoline stop because we got a bunch of geriatrics riding with us. I gotta take a piss 2 hours into the trip. So I just put 12 gallons in it. And it says we're getting about 10 miles too. So 45 bucks, that ain't bad. Anyway, There's a crow on top of the gas station. Let's go check on everybody. Jesus. I might as well take this opportunity to relieve myself also. I've already had 3 Red Bulls. Here's Ben's running distraction efforts for us in the 5.0 Stang. Wish you would have made these for us too. That looks cool. How's she pulling there?
Good. 65 would be fine though.
Yeah, is that what you're thinking?
I was running about 70, 75 when the speed limit went up, but it's like, that's a bit much.
Yeah. How's your 2 kids in the back doing?
Good.
Brody,
So
how's the trip?
good. We were hard laying down on the couch.
I wish I was.
Brody, do you want to go hungry? Yeah.
Yep, might as well whiz now. Tight. Tight.
He got a big no-name sticker on his car.
I know, I wish he made a couple more, huh? Well, we didn't need to make a gas stop, but we are making a gas stop. ABS and brake light came on the dash. And it felt pretty spongy. I mean, we're just cruising on cruise control, not using brakes. It just came on. It's a little low where it says max. We're gonna put some in it. The light turned off, stopped. I don't know, I don't see any fluid. Yeah. Anyway, keep on trucking. Anyway, and then it just kind of went away, so last one in Missouri smells like a stinky rotten hippie's foot. Crisis averted. Now, boy, I tell you, boy, we're in the south officially once we cross this here river. The river is the Des Moines River. That's in Iowa. Look at it. What the hell? Welcome to Missouri.
Welcome to Missouri.
Had to make a quick pit stop at the BP in Hannibal, Missouri because Tyler had to pee again. But it's all right. Everybody needed to. Brody's.
This on Tyler.
Yeah. We got some chicken. We got some beer for the cooler and cheaper tobacco products. So.
Batteries on empty, bladder full.
What kind of ribba is this, JayBo?
I have no idea.
I don't either.
I reckon it's not the Mississippi.
Wait, it's the Missouri.
I thought Missouri was way on the west coast of Missouri.
I thought so too. I think it spits out in the Mississippi. I don't know. Not a geologist, man.
I reckon so.
Nice, smooth, big ass bridge though.
Yeah, it is a nice one, isn't it?
It'd be nice if ours over the prairie was like this.
Yeah, 8 lanes.
Jeremy's back there somewhere. One thing we haven't had to do is sit around for a long time at one of them frickin' Chargers. The van's doing pretty damn good. Mustang's doing good, right, Cindy? Yeah. Spectator entrance pit gate.
It says spectator entrance. I think we go past it though, don't we?
Pit gate, Jay.
Pit gate.
Okay, it's in a big sign there, yeah. I thought we...
This is when we
And
decide-
we're here,
Oh, well, we can call
we
it.
think. Well, we don't know.
I see cars over
A bunch of stuff over
Oh,
there.
Destination is on the right.
Participation.
Oh, there's
I see
Duddy. There's that Ford Galaxy I was telling you about, perpetual project or whatever it was.
Where's Daddy? Oh, there's Dallas. I see Dallas. Okay.
We've never
Sorry.
been here before.
I'm just getting
Jenny,
anxious.
we've never been here before.
I'm sorry, me neither.
No.
Look at Bad Tree Productions shirt.
John Wilbert.
In person.
How you doing, buddy?
The man, the myth, the legend.
I lost the speed sensor in St. Louis and cruise control.
need that?
Well, fuck, I like cruise control.
Let's see here. Remind me of your name again, sir. I can't.
John Doe.
Oh, okay. I'm
That's his
sorry.
last name. His first name
I
is
can't
Dill.
keep track of all these new faces.
Bad Tree.
Yeah.
Productions. I'll just loop around and park next to
21 and 22. Oh, and you guys are right there. Kick. That's Noah's dad.
Okay.
And so he says he can move to let y'all in, but those are your spaces. You'll be between that
there's Ricky.
camper, and you'll be between Duddy.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet.
Between the camp.
And we'll
Alright.
get you some bracelet numbers. 2 bracelet numbers.
21 is 46.
You think you have horses? Look at them. You probably should have been on this side of
Let's get it, boys!
Is this Betty's truck?
Yeah.
And then
I thought you were going to say you guys have a break dog, but
Like Mr. Party Man himself. What's up, man?
party? I'll party.
Ricky. Hey. John. Nice to meet you.
Look at all these go cars in one place.
I know.
All right, he's caught it pretty quick.
I got to get ordered. I didn't have time to go get my car.
Duddy,
What's that?
what are you messing up now?
Oh, you know, typical Duddy adventure clapped out dodginess. Broke before it even got off the trailer.
Robert,
You got Sapple's pins.
What's going on, man?
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Larry,
I'd shake your
whoops.
hand.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for saving us a
Hey,
spot.
buddy. How you doing? Thank you.
I'd shake y'all's hand, but I'm currently dealing with my own dumpster fire.
We can. There we go. We get our own Duddy's Adventure episode right there.
Yeah. Duddy failed before he got off the trailer. Here, you wanna hold that?
I should.
Oh, thanks, man. Sweet. We got unpacked and get our shit up.
I need one of these Jeep. I'm trying to close back window for the stickers.
Ben and Cindy got all of our stuff. They went to go check in their home.
Myric's over there.
Oh, yeah, we got the cars loaded. Now we got to fill all those.
Oh, you communist piece of shit.
Fill this dinner tank. Then come back, then unload it, then put it all in the RV.
He's not over there. He's over there.
Here, let me tighten all that other shit first. I just got it all loose.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Does everyone think I'm like 5'8" on the camera or something?
Right? How you doing?
Well, it's kind of a shit show right now, but you know.
What's the issue? What?
Blue wheel cylinder right off the bat.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't have it.
Got another one or?
No, he put that one back together.
Really? Okay.
So, yeah.
Alright,
We'll
yeah.
see.
You know the car is leaning that way. You know, all the gravity lead's gonna work. I didn't have much of a brake pedal to begin with.
Kind of looks good under here.
Thanks. Just don't look at the subframe connectors. Let's not talk about it,
What's
JayBo.
wrong with those?
We don't need to talk about it. Just don't look too hard.
So they look good. I saw them already.
Now the car's actually pretty clean. There's a few little areas here that.
All right, let's get some shit unpacked, and we'll be back.
Oh, that license plate just clears that. We got it. Okay, now I got a black.
What do you think, Jeremy?
Oh, I like it. I just wish the fucking RV was here.
I know. Shit happens.
Wow.
Not everything can be perfect like at World HQ. Or like
Yeah.
Noah's car.
Yeah.
Jeez, that thing's beautiful. Oh, everybody, meet my good internet friend, Chad.
Hey.
What's up,
Blake.
dude? Hey,
How
hey.
you doing?
Good. How you been, brother?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
This guy's a legend in the square body world.
Something like that.
Yeah. We're gonna have a lot of fun this weekend, man.
I'm hoping so.
A lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Got the old Nacho Cuda.
Yeah.
The world famous Nacho Cuda. And now my mind's gone blank on what you guys named that one.
And we call it the bolt action dart, crew cab, Motley crew
Yeah,
cab,
Motley Crew Cab. That's the one I remember.
triple pickle.
Yes. A lot of fun.
Oh yeah. We'll check out his stuff here shortly once we get unpacked.
Painter's still working on this stuff.
Oh yeah, it's a complete dumpster fire like usual.
got brake.
He's more gear.
Oh yeah. Them were some tall ass tires.
What are those 410s?
Yeah. It ain't one. It's the old converter out of the Cuda, actually. We basically built that damn thing out of all the spare parts.
Just went to the shelf and swept it all off into a pile.
Dart.
I know I wanted to do converter and stuff like that, but I got a nice used converter, but it was in a tranny that went kaboom.
Oh yeah.
And I got to get it sent out, cut open, and fixed and cleaned.
It'll have to be cleaned out, you know.
And especially after I called Hughes, they said send it back, it'd be like 240 bucks. I'm like, really? That's fucking cheap. That's a 3,000 stall.
Nice.
It's a pity it's so quiet.
How tall are those? 30s?
I know.
Those are
28?
29.
29. Yeah.
Right, 29, 10, 5?
Yeah. 275, 60s or whatever.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
I can tell the difference just going to these Nittos. They're a little bit taller than the Hoosiers.
Right?
And it's like, this thing ain't so bad on the highway.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, those look good.
Yeah, I got it. It's so hokey the way they're on there.
Yeah.
Super shackle extension. This thing is the sketchiest thing to drive right now. Every bushing, ball joint, and tie rod in, and wheel bearing, everything is 1973 with 50,000 miles on it. It's tight. Like you put a bar in the ball joints and everything, but it's loose.
Little wiggly.
And it's got 70s power steering, so it's like one finger.
Needs some bushing.
It needs everything. That's this winter.
That's a great looking project.
And then I wanna lower the car. I wanna drop it way down. Because I always had it up in the air for them. My old headers in the old exhaust was always so low.
Right. See, that's why I went with that tire, because I've got the front shackle split, and I wanted it to keep it that ride height.
Right. No, them tires look great. That's such a good size.
Yeah. God dang.
What kind of fuel's in it?
It's pump gas?
Texas pump gas?
Yeah.
93?
Must be the paint burning off the cherry bombs.
Oh yeah, it's definitely burning off paint. Like, no, well, not from the engine though.
No, God no.
Stop now? Yeah, no, it stopped good now.
Yeah.
Had to do a little brake checking.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Tuck, you're gonna fail. Where's your bumper at, Duddy?
The only thing he's gonna see is my rear bumper, so that's all I need.
We brought a 2x6. We could run a router around it.
Not one, two. They're in pieces. You gotta.
Mahogany stain, maybe?
Mahogany.
Yeah, you know, it's classy.
You mind?
I was gonna see if it was gonna make the trip.
Straight from Texas. No, Arkansas from last night.
Look at it.
What was that noise?
You don't. Listen, you know, there's things. Let's not talk about. Let's not talk about it.
There's acorns in the hood.
There's lots of acorns in the hood.
You're supposed to use them to keep the top on your air cleaner, not in the hood, Duddy. the Rev Bomb Nationals. Damn, Noah. That's a nice car. Man, I already got a battery killed. Poor boy's garage. Oh, that smells good. There's some real deals here. We're just screwing around. But we're gonna have fun. Ricky!
You have a fun
The
drive
red
down?
light's on, so
Awesome.
you want to be in front of it. It's recording. I thought we were gonna catch up to you, but my there's Mr. John Cope right there. Hey! Mr. Haney, the Hemi-powered Ford. Is he gonna do a brake stand with the RV? Everything's here, babe.
Did we get a plan on where our camper's going yet?
Nope.
How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Oh, God, you're a huge guy too. What the hell? We're surrounded by giants.
Just a big old kid. A big old kid at heart.
Yeah. How you doing, buddy?
All right.
Yeah, you look good.
JayBo, when I showed here, everyone thought I was like 5'8", 5'7".
I thought you were shorter.
I did too.
But you got boots
Yeah.
on now, so yeah.
Yeah, these are actually heels. I am 5'7", I just wear 6'6" heels.
I felt weird, like I didn't have anything to do this morning, so I buffed it. I'm like, I guess I'll buff my car. Everybody else is driving many more hours.
And I'm like, you and that dirty hippie from Bad Tree did the same thing. I'm sitting here underneath the dash of this car trying to get it ready, and he's over there laughing, giggling, waxing his car.
Right.
Yeah,
Put the smear on it. Yep.
Oh man. What?
Oh shit, man.
She runs. We'll see if she makes her down the strip though.
It'll be okay.
It'll be great.
No.
And this will be like your first real pass on a drag strip, right?
Ever.
Okay. Yeah, you'll like
I went from rock crawling to this. Hence why I ended up with dirt track rims, because I thought, it'd be semi-appropriate.
Yep.
So,
Yeah,
I've
okay.
never done. I raced a bread truck in the COD. I lost.
Yep.
I don't think he knew we were racing, but that's about it. So,
It'll be kind of like that.
Nice.
without
Yeah.
the losing part, though, JayBo.
Right, exactly.
Right. No. Look, I know you're battery. You're supposed to be team dirty hippie, but I'm gonna need you on my side for the next 48 to 72 hours.
I'm there for you, buddy.
All
Eric, I forgot to ask, does the car drive fairly straight?
I don't know. I was doing launches,
Is it like pulling it off to one side or the other?
and it didn't feel like it.
Good.
I didn't really check that. I guess I checked that.
You put like time and effort into making the interior started nice, and
It looks really good.
all the badges. And
It doesn't pull. It shakes a little bit at the top end, but it
They
doesn't
didn't
pull.
feel it.
The top end.
Here's an up close look at the Just Mopar Joe car. cool.
Get back here.
No. Where's she at? She's been back there? Okay, good.
JayBo, do you even fit back here?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I've been back here before.
It's worth the content.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Oh, blind.
You got coordinates?
I thought Blake did.
I thought we were just
Follow
Blake.
Hot Rod. Well, now that the dumpster fire is over with my car, I decided to get in an actual reliable car. Bad Tree Productions. With JayBo. And Blake. And Annie.
There you go. Careful, Blake. We're crying out loud.
I'm being
Yeah, the Nacho does not feel nearly as sketchy as my car.
Oh, just wait. I was scared for my life the other day. We have this hill that they call the San Francisco Hill. Blake does. And he's going down it. We're thinking about having it where people that live in campers.
Okay, that's we're done now with that, right?
Do we have to be?
I don't know, these roads are sketchy as fuck in this neck of the woods.
Oh.
Let's just get there instead of doing that.
Challenge not accepted, I don't think, Pop. Oh.
I think that gas station burrito I ate earlier just, kind of went down to that lower and tested. Yeah.
I think it's so funny to meet people that really sound like in person, like they do on camera.
Right. Do I sound like I sound?
Yes, JayBo, you do.
Because when I watch myself, I don't.
I do.
Do what?
Do I sound as retarded as I do on camera?
Yes.
Sweet.
Oh, we were driving past that truck. See, look at that truck, Pop. It's retarded.
And you actually sound way better in person than on the phone.
Good.
Yeah.
Weird score.
Well, and I wasn't saying that, like, you sound bad in person or on camera. That's not what I meant.
The bad part is like people actually think that my channel is a scripted dumpster fire, and it's not. Like these things legitimately happen to me because I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of roll with it.
Well, you crack me up because you're, like, dead serious. Like, you don't crack a smile very often.
Well, yeah, because it's usually very depressing what I'm doing. There's a lot of regret with the choices I make.
Well, Ben didn't get with this, but, I mean, I think you can kind of figure it out. Hang on to your diapies, babies.
You go
Yeah,
straight.
if you
I don't
limp
like
wrist
that.
it, if you limp wrist it, it'll go right to third.
I don't like that. We need to get rid of that.
Well,
I was used to how it used to be.
I was too, but
Is this the first or the B&M?
this way,
TCI.
hey, either it locks up in first gear and you're fucked, or you bang the fucker like you mean it and you'll be all right. But back there, you limp wristed it like
I did a lip wrist and I fucking shoved it.
you need to rub some Vagisil on your fucking wrist. Fucking shift it like you mean it.
That's probably one of the best things you've ever said.
Oh my God, Jay.
Really?
So dumb. Camera.
You can experience, yeah,
Yeah.
you can experience BTV.
Yeah, no.
And it's raw state.
I'm ready for y'all to move to Texas.
That'd be great.
Next door would be great.
So here we are at Lambert's, home of the throwed roll at Jeremy's head. Are you with me, Duddy?
I am. I didn't even got a chance to even go look at all these cars. Maybe you have a chance to.
Oh no. I just about broke a hip. Troublemakers, you guys.
That's right.
Fucking troublemakers.
Well, we're here. John, how's it going, brother?
Hello, nice to meet you
to
guys.
meet you.
God, great
How's
to
it
see
going? How's it going?
Real
Going
swell.
great.
Real
Excellent.
Lighter than frogs hair. Couldn't be happier.
Yeah, same here.
More than
Same here.
impressed.
Everything perfect. Everything's
Yeah.
been smooth. You ain't been busy or nothing. I know.
Good, good.
Well,
Deal.
John lost his cherry and drove Haney here.
Really?
Did he really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
John drove it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's
I
cool.
wish we would have been part of the group. We were behind some Pontiac.
We want to lock it up or no?
I don't think anybody wants to mess with this group.
I left the keys in mine.
I was
So.
behind them that just smelled like race gas and bad decisions.
How you been, man?
Good, man. You doing all right, Blake?
Yeah. 402?
Yep. Yep.
It's weird. Oh, hey. I'll have to hook you up when we get back.
Man, I just got some in my pocket.
Yeah.
I just got 100 in right like last week.
Yeah.
I was like, are they going to come in time?
Look,
Jesus, they brought the
Ricky's
van
the
out.
only one that can't figure out how to park right. Well, there's Candy Cane right there. This thing is a slick unit. I like the Mordor Dart too. Shit, yeah, it's gonna be a blast.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna have more fun than should be legal.
That's right. As soon as I met John got out of the truck, he's like, we should race. I said, we should race. Candy Cane and Mr. Haney should race.
No shit. Well, let's see. I'm starving, man. This was a long ass drive. There's the Motley Crue cab. Where'd all the girls go?
and everything.
What's up?
What's
Get
up,
it
guys?
figured out?
Trying to.
Yeah. Long hauler. Real long hauler right here.
Drove it?
Yep.
Awesome.
From
So
Texaco.
we did
Damn.
Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, into Tennessee, back up into Kentucky. Jumped across just to say we hit the tip of Illinois and Cairo, and then came back.
Glutton for punishment.
Wow.
And the only reason we went to Tennessee was powder porn.
I know you look familiar. That's why I missed him too.
Patrick.
I can't even remember your name.
Sir, how is it
That's all right,
going?
rolling?
It's going good, brother.
It sounded rowdy.
Yeah? It's not that bad.
I do.
Still together.
This gala is fast, bud.
I can't wait for tomorrow. I've already had more fun than expected. This is just freaking ridiculous.
All I want is a 6.
Yeah.
I want my 8th mile time to start with a 6.
Well, hopefully you get it. We got good elevation.
Yeah, I know. Good elevation, good weather.
Mm-hmm.
Turbo's gonna like it. And plus, I've got my boost controller in the back seat.
There you go. That's where it should be, right?
Well, it's so I can adjust it.
Right. Awesome, dude.
To whatever I need.
This Duster is slicker than snail snot, folks. Got a road ruiner here.
And
Mr. Heavens.
no way. Hey.
Glad to see you.
Likewise. This is awesome.
Yeah, it is. We got family garage here. We got Pikachu driving this one. Look at this Roadrunner. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Awesome.
But it's all numbers matching. It's all written.
Not sure.
That's the baddest unit here, I think.
I don't know about that, Ricky. It ain't too shabby. She moves.
What's up, man?
What's happening, man? Too bad you couldn't get the duster here. But hey, you
failed. That's all
no,
right.
man.
That's all good.
You.
Hey, I made it.
You know what? When you're done with it, it's gonna be beautiful.
It'll be cool.
And it'll be worth it.
Thank you,
So
sir.
next year.
Yeah.
But you're here
for
now.
Sure. I'm here, having fun. Jure,
It's.
I'm Marcos. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
But
How's it going? I'm Marcos.
My name is Marcos.
You are
Rick. Track travel with Rick. Ricky's dad.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. I recognized him, but
Jason from Rabbit Transit Garage got her in. Jay from Rabbit Transit Garage got the dart in. We see Mr. Haney. Oh, we got to talk to the event organizer, Mr. John Wilburn. I heard you're hooked on Mopar powered Fords now.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, indeed.
How
That
was
was
it?
interesting.
Yeah?
It was interesting. I think you've been working on it in the computer. It was like deprogrammed or something. So I get in it, and it was like a light switch. It was either off or on and nothing in between. So I'm like, well, okay, since we're going to be going and not stopping, I know how to fix that.
Yep.
I left a lot about, I don't know how many RPM the shift light was on when I pulled second, leaving the track. So I'm sure Dallas is like, I did that on purpose. Not really. It was purposeful, but not.
Oh, you weren't supposed to do that when you left?
I don't know.
Put your hand out. Let's see. See if John got nervous. No, look at that. Nerves of steel was behind Mr. Haney. Hello, man. I do too.
Yeah, I'm burnt up.
Oh.
my name's
I
Marcos.
saw you earlier, man. I thought, oh yeah, it was like chapped.
Well, thank you for giving John that experience.
Very cool. Yeah, I should have gave him a tutorial on the shifter. I know the We'll get it right on the way home. Plus, he didn't go past $2,000.
I haven't driven it since Jay fucked with the shifter and that, and I hit it and went straight into third. And I'm like, what the fuck did you do to this thing? He's like, you gotta really hit it to get it in the second.
You know what he was doing? He was just shifting 1, 2, 3, and I kept on saying, John, you got one more gear.
Mr. Haney's the real deal. Let's check that out quick. We're gonna see more of these cars throughout the weekend, so if I don't get everything tonight, this is Mr. Haney. She's got a hemispherical combustion unit inside of her. Andy, how's it going?
Man, what's up, Blake? How you?
I'm pretty good. I'm
see you.
ready to eat. I'm sick of driving. I'm ready to party
Yeah, that's right.
with good folk.
You know what's so cool about this? All of these cars we've seen for months and months and months on videos, now they're all in one place.
Oh, I know.
I mean, that's just the coolest thing ever. Yeah.
It's not even the event.
No.
And I've had more fun than I've had all year.
Yeah.
Probably in the past 5 years.
And I done work to my truck that I wouldn't have done had they not done this. That I would still have the stock heads and cam and just.
It's motivation fuel, man. It's motivation fuel.
Andy.
Yeah.
You take Haney down the track tomorrow? Sure you.
I'd love to.
All right.
Well,
Done deal.
He already called
You
me
hear
out,
that?
so-
You know what he's trying to do. You know what he's trying to do, right? He's trying to get me back in a Mopar.
I think so.
Yeah, that is, and he's doing it with this hybrid. You see, trying to ease me into
My
it.
call out changed a little bit with Joe. I told him Haney will race him as long as Andy was driving.
Ooh.
Oh.
I might have to get a camera in on
Hey,
that.
speaking of Joe, where is he at?
He just pulled in when we were leaving about 10 minutes before we left. Yeah.
Okay.
He should be here.
He had the purple Cuda all loaded up, and then he revved his new Ram that didn't come down from high RPM, just sat there
He
for
just
about
sat there.
20 seconds. So, hey, we're going to have some fun. See you in a second. Probably the Tannis man here, Eric, 1320
Hey,
Destroyer.
brother.
What's
How you
happening,
doing,
brother?
man?
Good, good.
Hey, Blake.
How's it going, man?
All right.
Good.
Good to officially meet you.
I know. I'm happy. I'm finer than frogs here right now. I've never had so much fun in an hour's worth of time than since we pulled in.
Oh, dude.
This is gonna be great.
This is going to
The
be
event hasn't even fucking started.
it's amazing.
Oh my god.
Absolutely amazing.
It's way better than I thought it was ever gonna be. You're all missing out. You gotta get out here.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Like now.
Yeah. I'm gonna try my best to get this uploaded. Get down here this weekend.
Do it. Do it. Starts tomorrow, and you got Saturday, Tomorrow night, 6
Yeah, if you're
o'clock. Come
close
out here and
by,
watch
couple-
these people burn the
couple
tires
hours
off.
away, just do it.
It's easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if it's already Saturday, that means we just drank too much beer tonight, and you know, shit happens.
Yeah, exactly. Just
I don't know what you're saying.
No,
just
I don't
come down
know.
and hang out.
I've never had a beer before ever.
with a hangover.
Let's eat some food. All right, we're in the world famous throne roll Lambert's.
It's not hard to find it. I look the same every day.
Hey,
what
hey.
are you doing?
Jeremy's got 8 rolls coming his way because he's been fucking around all last week. Shh. He's already got one?
Dirty hippies sitting in line already.
Somebody already threw a roll at him, they heard.
Hey man, hey, you think you need this extra car? That car's already a little too heavy.
I need 2 carburetors on my car.
Maybe go on a nice salad tonight and save that weight.
It may be heavy, but it makes up for it with horsepower.
Yeah, I haven't figured out if I got that yet, so. It's just light. It's real light.
Oh. Huh? Okay, that's one more than 11, so I was close. You know. Do we know how to count? I don't know.
Check your settings.
The 11's different.
Oh, I see.
Changed.
Yeah, batteries always got to have the good stuff. I get it.
Yeah, whatever. You just think it's good.
I don't know, it looks pretty
It's
good.
a battery-eating SOB is what it is.
No, that's horsepower.
Oh.
It's got all the horsepower, and it uses it. Yeah.
I think you're down a brake light or a tail light too.
Yeah.
Brake light for sure.
Pass driver's side. Brake light is.
Jeremy's been in here for 5 seconds and I chucked a roll at him because JayBo called earlier.
Hey, I caught it. I'm gonna be full now. That's a big ass roll. Yeah.
Damn, I want one. Somebody throw a roll at me. Hey, over here.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go eat. They threw me a roll. I just shut the camera off. Oh. Look at, there's the roll thrower. It almost burnt my hand, it's so fresh.
This one too.
Oh, wait. I should sit next to my wife. Okay.
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 Wait. Is this your shower quarter?
Saturday was.
Oh, you confirmed. All right, yeah. Confirmation. We're good.
Yeah. Saturday was yesterday, right? Bad day.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah, they're supposed to decide what we're gonna eat. Thank you, Larry. Keep an eye on these.
You guys got a gun on them. It's good. Yeah, they're up there. Look at them. Ask for one. Put your hand up. They'll chuck it over here.
Yeah.
Right there,
Is that
for
what
real.
it's called, road roll? Yeah. Literally.
Chad, put your hand up. Put it up. Look at, he's looking.
Yes, they are.
No, I've got to try to catch it.
You won't be able to.
Yeah.
You should have taken your hat off and caught it.
So you want one? He's looking at you.
No, I'm good.
Yes. Nope, not
Canadian?
Midwesterner.
Canadian?
Midwesterner. So usually you get a little tiny like 12-ounce cup or something, you know, but
It's a quart.
Yeah.
A quart.
Yeah.
Harris treats you right.
Right.
We didn't order beer.
No kidding.
Look at over there, hiding. John Wilburn. In editing, zoom in, Blake.
The bad part about this is, I'm looking more forward to y'all's video than mine because y'all are filming these heavy.
Yeah. We got Martin Scorsese that edits everything for us too.
Yeah.
You got Just Mopar Joe over there. Zoom in. I'm waiting for a roll. I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for the roll tosser.
I'm laughing my ass off.
Yep, Joe Parmo.
This is at 70 miles an hour.
One more. One more. It blew apart in my hand.
I saw that.
Worth it.
Why didn't no one bring a baseball glove?
Right.
You got $1.
Do you keep ripping after you win?
No.
You don't have to.
Yes.
Unless, don't rip the tabs off
I
because they
never
won't
know
cash
either.
it.
I can't believe he's fucking listening to me.
There you go.
$1.
Got $1.
$3.
And you doubted me.
I know.
$3 on whole tabs. And MC Hammer's playing in the background. Demonetized. My eyes were bigger than my stomach. Call me what you want. Look at, they're still trying to feed us. Done? I'm starting to get the meat sweats.
Yeah, me too.
No, we're good.
Jeremy ate all of his chicken of the lily pad.
Yeah.
Frog sweats.
Oh, that was a fucking wild dude.
I knew it was coming. I knew it.
He got mad, and then he was glad.
Night. I can see myself at night with the GoPro.
That's right. How's my hair?
I can see
I look
you
good?
too, man.
Oh, good. Good.
You look great.
Yeah, how's my makeup? Am I looking good? Gotta
I
make
think
sure.
you need to go back.
Yeah, I got my duddy face on. I think I'm all right.
So we just got back to the track from Lambert's. Here's our trailer that we're going to be sleeping in at the track. Duddy's going to be heading to a motel room.
That's right, because I'm lazy.
Here's just Mopar Joe over there. Let's go check out what these guys are doing quick, and that'll be it for today. There's Tyler.
Nice light.
You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
I was just about ready to go to bed. I'm having so much fun.
How are you liking your Charger?
You having fun?
I love it.
That is way too bright, man.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
It's light. No, it's
Well, you can't see with the GoPro, but
Oh,
anyway,
thanks.
we're wrapping up today's video.
All right. Get that son of a bitch
Well, they
edited.
can't see you without.
I hate this.
He looks like a member of ZZ Top now.
How,
Think of
how.
today.
Fun.
Fun.
Now you're blinding him. Can
Hey.
a white boy sing the blues?
It's got to happen. Anyway, Duddy, tell them what to do.
good, bad, ugly. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, all that good stuff. And make sure to tell that dirty hippie he's going to lose tomorrow.
Soak them in second, kids.
Never in first.
You'll blow your sprag.
And that's how you have children. Eric, last time I seen you was at Lambert's.
I was there?
It was Rick. It wasn't Eric.
That is so bright.
I know. It's the only way to get any footage with the GoPro, though.
Whew. That is wicked, man.
I know. But, see? You can see me.
Oh, yeah.
But you can't see stuff from that far away.
I can't see shit right now, man.
You'll get used to it. Oh, how you doing? Having a great time?
Having a great time, man. Doing good, doing good.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be probably one of the best events people have never heard of.
I know.
Until now.
You've been warned. I just hope this thing doesn't shit the bed right away.
It won't.
Let it just puke on the last day.
It'll run enough to get you motorized, and then you're good. You'll still tree them. It won't matter.
You know what really bums me out? I had underglow set up on the mini bike. When Ricky went and took it for a ride, fucking, it was broke there. What the hell?
Damn kids.
Freaking kids. Better say hi to NSB quick.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't gotten them on film yet.
Get them.
Tailbone hit the seat brake.
What's up, guys?
What's happening? What's happening?
Not much. Just getting ready to have a couple wobbly pops.
Yeah.
Beat up on the competition. All right, it's enough filming for the day. Say hi to NSB Customs. Good night.
Blinding them.
Just Mopar Joe at dark.
All their heavy trucks.
I say good day to you.
This is the end of today's episode. Why not finish it on a good note?
Can I
just Mopar Joe?
Can I do it?
Yes, you can.
I always wanted to do that. Oh shit! You're supposed to. I'm sorry. My bad.
All right, we'll let them do it again tomorrow too. See ya.
Catch you. What's up, homie?
Backfire King Ryan Wynn.
Oh, that's a nice light. It's a nice light.
All right, we're really shutting it down now after day one. Ryan,
what's up, buddy?
We'll get together tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Get over
Goodbye.
here.
Oh, yeah.
You. Get in here.
You have an extra?